welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia and my channel's all about art and craft. Now, I know I'm being a little bit late with the video today, but my apologies, things just got in the way. Anyhow, I thought I'll do a very quick video, and I thought this is a good one to do because how many of us have a die cutting machine? Whether it's a Gemini or Cuttlebug or anything like that. Whichever one you've got, doesn't matter. Anyway, I'm going to show you for the Gemini, because that's the one that I've got. And as you can see, my cutting plate has already been tormented big time. And I'm so like, these are costing me $26 every time I need one. And I've heard many saying, get one of those cutting mats, self-healing ones. And I thought, okay, I'm just going to experiment. And it took me a few goes till I worked out the right combination. Now, there is two ways you can do it. The first way is going to be a better way for dies that are like this, okay? When it comes to your delicate ones, I'll show you another step where you probably guaranteed for it to work. However, normally you would have this thin plastic one in between plus your magnet on top. Well, I'm not using this, okay? Because it won't work otherwise. So we'll keep that away. And I also discovered that even with the magnet sheet there, it doesn't seem to want to go through the machine. And of course I made sure I didn't force it through because it's how you destroy the machine. So what I've got, this is my plate now. You've got your clear plate, you have your cutting mat, and then you will put down your bit of paper, and then you will put your die on top of it, and then you grab your plate, the other clear plate. Now I'm still using this one. I'm not too concerned about it. Now I'm going to have to move things out of the way here so I can bring over my Gemini, just so that I can show you on screen, yes, it works. And I better move my water bottle, otherwise that's going to get knocked over. So we're going to turn on the Gemini, and you'll be able to do the same sort of thing with your Gemini Junior, because the Gemini Junior is just a small version of this, right? So you would pretty much use it the same way. And I will show you how easy it goes through. Now, sometimes you might actually have to pass it through twice. However, I don't think I have to. We'll see. We'll turn that off, move that out of the way. And let's see. Now look at that. Yes, there's a little tiny bit it didn't cut. So yeah, I could have put it through a second time. But that's okay, because that little tiny bit I can fix very, very quickly. And besides, this is actually going to help me pull it out. Look at that. Just like that. Okay, and all I'm going to do is grab my X-Acto knife. And I'll just slice that little bit off, just like that. So there you have it. And it's probably because my cutting the clear plate is a bit warped at the moment because I've been a bit naughty. So that's probably one of the reasons it didn't quite cut through. However, if you have delicate dies, what you want to do is use your metal plate, and yes, I tortured that too. Things I do, I don't know. And then you would put your cutting mat on top of that, then your paper, your die, put that on top. It takes a little bit more for the machine to grab hold of it, so just be very gentle with it, but it works. So there you have it. Just nice, quick, simple video today, just so that I can make sure that I'll put one up for you guys. And I thought, you know, it's a good little hack because, let's face it, this is $26, right? Now that's here in Australia. I don't know how much they are in the US or anywhere else, but they're precious to me. And this one here cost me $8. So I'd rather use this and spend $8 having to replace this than spending $26 to replace this. And the one thing I have noticed is the more this gets chopped up, it actually starts transferring onto your paper. So, you know, like, yeah, no, not happening on my watch. So, simple solution, and it ends up costing you a lot less, which means it saves you money, so you can actually buy other things instead. So that's a bonus. Okay, now don't forget, as soon as we hit 100 subscribers, we're going to have a giveaway. I already have the goods, so let's all make sure we get to 100 subscribers, and you can help by sharing the video with family, friends, share it on, you know, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you want to share it. Just share it around so that we can have our very, very first giveaway. And I'm sure that you know probably plenty of people that could do with a cost-effective way of using your Gemini or Gemini Junior. So until next time, I will see you in the next video. But before you take off, be sure to hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't already done so, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you get notified as soon as videos go up. Until next week, hope you have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you then. Bye.